Kissing is a biological background check, and your brain is running it right now. But why? Like, why do we press our faces together and swap spit? Is it love? Is it lust? Or is it just ancient biology hijacking your brain? The truth is hiding in your DNA, your hormones, and 21 million years of evolution. And once you see it, you'll never kiss the same way again. Let's start at the very beginning, and I mean way before rom-coms. We didn't invent kissing. Great apes have been doing it for over 21 million years. Chimps kiss to make up after fights. Bonobos use it like a handshake. So, kissing isn't romantic by nature, it's social glue in the animal kingdom. For humans, it just got upgraded. So, why do we kiss so much? Because it's a biological cheat code. When you kiss someone, you're secretly running a compatibility test. Your nose and taste buds pick up on chemical signals, pheromones, that tell your brain about their immune system, their health, and even genetics. Subconsciously, you're asking, will our kids be strong? It's evolution's way of making sure you pick the right teammate. And if you pass the test, your brain floods with drugs. Dopamine for pleasure, oxytocin for bonding, and the morph for bliss. Kissing literally rewrites your brain to attach you to that person. It's not magic, it's chemistry. And it works so well, we've been doing it for millennia. But it's not just biology, it's communication. A kiss can say I love you, I want you, or I'm here for you without a word. It builds trust, reduces stress, and keeps relationships alive. In studies, couples who kiss more stay together longer. It's the ultimate emotional shortcut. And yet, plot twist, not every culture kisses romantically. Some societies never did it until they saw it in movies. So while the urge might be ancient, the meaning is shaped by where and when you're born. Kissing is both primal and learned. A biological impulse dressed in cultural rules. So, when you kiss someone, you're not just following your heart. You're following a 21 million year social program. You're conducting a biological background check. You're dosing your brain with addictive bonding chemicals. 3 layers, evolution, biology, psychology, all in one gesture.